Hello and welcome to HealthyHouseplants.com, where we teach you all about gardening in the great indoors. If you'd like to support our show, please use our Amazon affiliate link below. Today I'm going to give you a quick tip on using a hygrometer. First of all, what a hygrometer is. This right here is a hygrometer, and what this device does is it measures relative humidity in your home, which is really important for a lot of houseplants because there are a lot of houseplants that do like higher humidity. So I just love this device. It's very easy to use. You can find some good varieties that are not that expensive. I'll put a link below. And what you can see here is on the top there, it shows you the temperature in Fahrenheit, and on the bottom there it shows you the relative humidity. So you can see right now I've got pretty good relative humidity going on here with 67%. The reason is I am in my plant room, so there are a lot of plants in here, and as I've explained in a lot of other videos, plants humidify each other. So this is a great tool to be able to use to see what your true humidity is in your home and in various areas of your home. So if you're trying to create more humidity for your plants, grouping plants is a great way to do that, like I have in this room with lots of plants. Then you're going to be able to see if what you're doing is working in terms of raising humidity. Most houseplants like 50 to 60, 70% humidity. You can go a better range actually, 45 to 65% humidity, and most houseplants will be very happy with that. 45 is a little on the dry side though, so some plants wouldn't like that. So as you move this around a little bit, the humidity is going to change. Also, keep in mind that plants transpire, which means they release moisture into the air. We perspire even from our hands and stuff. So even by me holding this, the humidity has raised a little bit. So when you are testing, put it down next to plants, next to areas that you're trying to check on. Another good thing to do is even put it in the middle of your house to see how dry it is even without any plants around it, and then move it into some areas where you have plants. Put it next to windows. So that'll give you a really good indication of just what's going on with your plants. Now you can see right now the humidity started to go down some just by putting it down here away from other plants. They don't take that long to react, but they will take 15, 20 seconds, 30 seconds or so to react to the moving around, maybe depending on the variety, maybe even up to a minute. So give it a little bit of time, but it's not something you have to leave for hours and come back or anything like that. So that is that on this quick tip here. I love hygrometers. Like I said, inexpensive, easy to use, and they give you a lot of very valuable information, as well as temperature, because temperature does matter to your plants too. And I have a video on that. Put a link below for that too. Thank you for stopping by today. Please leave any comments about any indoor gardening tutorials you'd like to see. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And please check the bell if you'd like to be notified when new videos are